got this for the kids and me. I set it up here. See if I've got enough of these boards left over from a previous install of laminate to cover the base. Hopefully it does. Some chlorine in another package. Okay, let's get on with this. Finally ready. Make sure the pegs are this way around, and it should go. The pole should go through that on each one. Filter attached. Sucks in water through there, chucks water back out through there. I'll show you clip on the hoses. Only clip on the hose after you put on the inlet. Same with the outlet. Filter's leaking a bit. I think I need to get a O-ring to put just under the lid. Polygroup summerwaves. Got the multifunctional tablets in there. Chlorine level is just right. Same with pH and alkalinity. Just waiting for the sun to heat it up, and gonna jump in. Didn't fill it up all the way, but that would do. Water is currently at 19 degrees. Just waiting for 22.